For this second part, we're going to start taking a look at some graphs. So the first thing it asks us to do is to write down the y-intercept. Well, we know the y-intercept, x equals 0, so we can plug that into our equation, 0 squared plus 3 times 0 minus 4. So we have the point -4, so it's 0, -4. So that's our y-intercept right here, 0, -4. Next, we have to find the x-intercepts of our graph. So we have to solve this. And you could solve it however you would like. I might try doing that factoring. So we have x squared, 3x, and -4. So it multiplies to -4 and adds to 3. So we have 4 and -1. So we have x and x plus 4 minus 1. So it factors into x plus 4, x minus 1. So it crosses at x equals -4 and x equals +1. So, oops. Now the coordinate of the axis of symmetry, well, that's our x equals the opposite of b over 2a, or the equation. So the opposite of -3 over 2 times 1. So it's at -3 over 2. So that's this part of the graph right here. That's x equals -3 over 2. And the coordinate of the x-coordinate of the vertex, well, that would be the same thing, -3 over 2. Now when we look at number 8 here, you'll notice it's in intercept form. Write down the values of P and Q. Well, P and Q, those are just our intercepts here. So we have -5 and 1. We know if we plug those in, we'd have f of x equals a x minus -5. So it would be +5 and x minus 1. And now find the value of a. Well, we have this other coordinate, 0 and 10 to plug in. So our y value is 10 equals a, 0 plus 5 times 0 minus 1. So 5 times -1 is -5. So 10 equals -5a. So a equals -2. And we'll take a look at number 9 as well. Let's see, number 9 here, it is in vertex form. Write down the coordinates of the vertex. Well, that would be the opposite of 3. And so -3 and -6 are h and k. Given that f of 1 equals 2, find the value of a. So we have that coordinate 1, 2. Okay, so we can say 2 equals a, 1 plus 3 squared minus 6. So 2 equals 1 plus 3 is 4 squared, so we got 16a minus 6. Add that 6, so 8 equals 16a, so a equals 1/2. And now find the value of f of 3. So f of 3 equals, our a is 1/2, x is now 3 plus 3 squared minus 6. Well, let's see, this is 6 squared, 36. Half of 36 is 18, minus 6 is 12.